Guys, this is Issue 35 RC jet made by Purins. The specs are the length is 1.6 millimeters, wingspan is 1080 millimeters. Now it has the ESC of about 55 amperes ESC, and the motor size is about 23 kV. Now I'll show you inside the box. The package containing all about the box containing the whole body of the Issue 35 views contains about these pails for the elevators, and also the cone. Now the part is properly packaged. All the accessories inside the box, all the screws and the screws, and so they provided also the banana type connector, which is special to Purins, not supplied by the other suppliers. Inside the box, you can see how it is quality. The painting is so nice and also used inside. Now you can see inside they contain all the metal retracts, and also these vectors, thrust vectoring, all as properly insured, screwed, all plastics. And inside the engine compartment, on the motor compartment, is properly designed and quality. The wires are inside, you cannot see, and also the metal retract containing all the servo inside. Now, on the upper part, you can see inside also this is the wings containing the metal rods, especially for this Purins Issue 35, the servos are also pre-installed, and also these the tail or the rudders, also the servos is pre-installed also. Inside, or the upper part of the fuse, is the battery compartment is so big. You can put inside the batteries for 4500. Now inside the fuse is the compartment for so it's very tight. The magnet they use, you can see here the properly pre-wired inside. The battery compartment is so big, and it's quality also. Everything is ready just to put your transmitter and receiver, plug in, or you can provide your transmitter or receiver by yourself. So this is PNP version of the Issue 35 Purins, and also the battery is recommended about 4,000 milliampere to 5,000 milliamperes for these 23 kV motors. Probably about 3 to 4 minutes flying time. Also, this is also the missiles. So see you for the next maiden flight. Thank you. Have a nice flying day. Bye.